Got money sitting in your Klarna account that you'd rather have in your bank? Let's get it moved. First, open the Klarna app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Look for the bank account icon or the button that says bank account or your balance. The location may slightly vary depending on your app version, but it's usually found on the home screen. Next, you will see your Klarna balance. Below it, you should see a withdraw or transfer to bank option. Tap on it. A screen will now appear, showing your linked bank accounts. If your desired bank account is already listed, select it. If not, you'll need to add a new bank account. Enter the amount of money you wish to transfer from your Klarna account to your bank account. Ensure that the amount is within your available Klarna balance. Double-check all the details on the confirmation screen. Make sure the amount is correct and the destination bank account is the one you intended. Finally, click the Confirm or Transfer button to initiate the transfer. You should then see a confirmation message stating that the transfer is in progress. This screen usually provides an estimated time for when the funds will arrive in your bank account. That's it, your money is on its way.